Instagram has added a new feature that lets you restore posts, reels, and IGTV videos that you've recently deleted. Watch this video to learn how to restore recently deleted posts on Instagram. To begin, open Instagram and go to your profile. Then tap the menu icon in the top right corner. From there, select Settings, then tap Account. Then scroll down and select Recently Deleted. Simply tap the post you'd like to bring back to your page, tap the menu icon, then select Restore. To confirm, tap Restore. After that, your post will be back on your Instagram page as it was before you deleted it. Posts will be available for restoration for 30 days after deletion. So, if you guys have found this video helpful, like, comment, and subscribe. Thanks for watching.